Hello to all my beautiful viewers out there. Today I'm going to be covering the upcoming Jordan releases and all the new information surrounding them. If you guys like me covering this type of content, definitely give me a like, comment and subscribe. Really helps my channel out and definitely lets me know what kind of content you guys are interested in. But to not delay it any further, we'll start talking about the Jordan 4s. So, the Jordan 4s that I'm talking about in particular are the Bred 4s. The Bred 4s that I originally said were going to be coming out on May the 11th, that has changed. Unfortunately, they're not now coming out on May the 11th, so they're not going to be my birthday shoes as I said in my top 5 anticipated sneakers of 2019. If you guys haven't checked out that video, I'm going to be linking it in the description and I'll link it up above as well. You guys can check that out so you can see what my top 5 anticipated sneakers are of 2019. But unfortunately this pair, which is one of them, will not be coming out on May the 11th. It's been pushed forward to May the 3rd, which in some people's opinion is better because it's getting released earlier, but I was kind of keen on getting it 2 days after my birthday. But again, that's just my personal preference. You guys may be ecstatic to hear that. It's been showcased on a couple Instagram stories on like Travis's and a couple other people that get the Breds and stuff early. They look awesome, really keen to see them. Iconic shoe, iconic colorway, OG branding, it's perfect. It's exactly what you want. And yeah, definitely get your money ready guys because they're coming out in less than 2 weeks. So definitely save your paycheck for that one. So the second piece of news to come out to us is that the Jordan 1 Cactus Jack collab by my, one of my favorite artists, Travis Scott, is being delayed until May the 11th. So initially when we first got the details, the Bred 4s were coming out May the 11th, the Cactus Jacks were coming out on the 3rd. That sort of switched now, so the Cactus Jacks are now May the 11th, while the Bred 4s have been moved to May the 4th, which kind of works. Bred 4s, May the 4th, that's kind of cool, but either way, I'm keen to get the Cactus Jack Jordan 1s. I'm unsure if they're doing a full size run or not, so it may just look like from sizes 7 to 15, so unfortunately for me, I may miss out on that one. I'm hoping not. I'm hoping they get released in 16, 17, and 18 and do the full size run, but we'll have to see, guys. It's all up to Jordan Brand, all up to Cactus Jack and Travis Scott. We'll have to see, but yeah, make sure you mark that on your calendars, May the 11th for the Cactus Jack Jordan 1s now. So for our third piece of news that we have today, a piece that I honestly was not expecting, was that on Black Friday, we're going to be getting a OG release of the Jordan 1 Breds again. These bad boys came out in 2016. Very good shoe, very good colorway, one of my favorites. But there's a slight change in the release that's coming out on Black Friday. The Black Friday release is apparently going to have Nike's new cushioning, the React cushioning. They use that for all their modern day runners and stuff like that. I personally haven't tried React cushioning out, but everyone that has tried it out that I know has said it's absolutely wonderful, that it's amazing. So I'm really keen to get a Jordan 1 with React cushioning in it. I think that's going to be really cool. One thing that I'm really intrigued about is that apparently we're getting it in the OG silhouette, which means it's going to be of a higher cut. It's going to be a thinner overall model. I'm very keen for that kind of change because I actually don't like the thicker Jordan 1s that they're releasing recently. Over the past couple of years, they've been releasing Jordan 1s that are a little bit thicker and they crease not as well. They don't look as nice as the OG ones that Michael Jordan wore in '85. So to have a revitalized model where it's got modern day cushioning, OG silhouette, and it's also getting a massive release, so you're most likely not going to miss out on copying a pair if you want a pair. I think that's really good. I think that's the 3 things that I actually really wanted from Jordan Brand this time around. The exclusivityness, I don't really care too much. I don't really mind that it's not going to be really exclusive. I think it'll be really nice to just have like a React OG silhouette, to be honest. I'll definitely be copying a pair even though I've still got the 2016 pair. I would just like to see what they do. We don't have a lot of details on it at the moment. They're the only details we have right now, but obviously closer towards Black Friday we'll be getting more and more details, and I'll definitely let you guys know. But yeah, no, really surprised we're getting a Bred 1 release this year, and that it's going to be React cushioning, OG silhouette, and a GR release. I wasn't expecting that, Jordan Brand. You've surprised me. But yeah, really cool guys. Speaking of OG releases though, apparently we're going to get a pair of airships. They've surfaced recently, if you guys don't know what the airships are, according to various sources, the airships were actually the original shoes that got banned by the NBA. The NBA banned apparently the Bred version of the airships and not necessarily the Bred ones. It's debatable whether or not that happened or not. I would obviously like to know if it was the Jordan 1s that were banned or the airships, because I think owning a pair of Bred airships would be really cool. But it looks like the colorway that for the airships that are going to be released are going to be the shadows, so grey and black. Personally, I'm okay with that. I don't mind too much. If they do like a whole full OG colorway size run of the airships, I think that'll be really cool. I definitely would try and cop as many of those as I could. But I don't really have a release date detail for you at the moment, or a price detail on that, but we have seen some pairs turn up here and there in a couple of people's Instagram accounts, so I'll definitely link down below if you guys are interested in seeing those. So for my final bit of information that I have for you guys is that we're getting a female Jordan 1 release. We're getting a pair of satin Bred toes. If you guys know, we have gotten a couple colorways in the past. We've gotten the Shatteds in satin. We've gotten the Royal and Breds in satins as well, but this time we're getting the Bred toes exclusively in women's sizing. The last time we got the satin pair, which was the Shatteds, Michael Jordan actually ordered his own pair. We got to see that photo. That was pretty wild. But yeah, last time they did it exclusively for women, and it looks like this time around they're doing the exact same. We're getting, the Bred toes, which in my opinion are a very nice colorway. Very keen to see them in the satin quality. Seeing the shadows in satin looks really, really nice. The orange is really, really vibrant. So I think the red on the Bred toes will definitely, get a boost by having it done in a satin quality. So if you're definitely a female or a male with smaller feet out there, definitely look out for the the Bred toe satin ones coming out soon. No release date or any further details on that, but I assume they'll be the same price as the shattered satin ones from back before. The release date, again, don't have it, so we'll have to keep our ear out and wait for that one. But yeah, that's all I've got for you this week, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you'd like to help me out, definitely give me that like, comment, and subscribe I was talking about earlier. I'll definitely be covering more in the coming weeks as we get more details about either, further Yeezy, Jordan, or clothing releases. So definitely stay tuned. But until next time, guys, catch you later.